Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased technical analysis. Now today, SPY gave us that incredible false breakout setup. Yes, yesterday SPY cleared a very critical level at 380, but it failed to hold on the back test as a support, giving us that false breakout setup. Y'all know how I feel about the false breakout setup. It's the greatest trade setup of all time. We also got CPI tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Time for us to prepare, guys. Let's go. Now, before I continue, I just want to point out, guys, my technical analysis are not predictions. They are not predictions. Uncle Charles is not a bull. Uncle Charles is not a bear. I am a sheep, okay? The price action is my shepherd. That means I trade strictly based on the price action. I am looking for setups. I'm looking for critical support and resistance. And then when it comes to real time, when it comes to the trading hours, I just do my best to react and trade it unbiasedly. Okay, I'm not here to predict. I can't see the future. I don't think any human being on this planet can see the future. I'm just trying to know the levels, know the setups, and just trade it unbiasedly. That means I do these technical analysis videos so that we can prepare for the future, not try to predict. All right. Now, yesterday, Uncle Chada said we cleared 380. All right. One close above a critical level is not enough. We need to see follow through, and both did not see follow through. We look on the intraday chart here. All right. Had a nice triangle pattern that I was also tracking intraday. Discord members were very well aware of it. This was all covered there, and you can see this level right here, that's the 380 level. And twice, we had a false breakout move that led to a nice level to level move. Under 380, I had the 377.5 to 378 zone. As you can see here, boom. False breakout, drop right down. Try to recapture 380 again, gave us another false breakout, and this time it led to an even deeper drop, okay? Combine that with the breakdown of this yellow triangle pattern that I got intraday here, and it dropped all the way below, a little bit below the 374 target that I have down as low as 373.62, okay? Now this was covered in the Discord. I got the bear case right here. The bear case is simple. Break down the 380 level and give us the false breakout setup, and it just played out extremely beautifully. All right, guys. So now we got CPI tomorrow. While I'm looking at this chart, right, and it looks like a beautiful setup to swing some puts, okay? We got CPI tomorrow, guys. We got to be prepared. Tomorrow, CPI is reporting at 8:30 a.m. The expectation is 7.9% for inflation. Okay, that's the expectation. That's what it's showing me right here, according to Market Watch. Okay, so if the actual data comes in lower than 7.9, meaning inflation is dropping faster than they expected, we could get a bullish reaction from the market. Okay, guys, if inflation comes out 8.0 or higher tomorrow, meaning it comes in worse than expected, we could get a bearish reaction. Now, I tell this to my Discord members every morning on these data days. Watch out for the initial reaction. They could look to fake us out, and I'm telling you guys the same right now. Okay, now as far as technical analysis go, SPY closed around the 374.13 level, right around my support level. It's dropping a little bit after market, okay? But for tomorrow, I got levels at 376, 378, and 380. For the bull case scenario, SPY needs to recapture some critical, some of these resistant levels, okay? With the critical level being at 380, as you guys know. Okay, now you guys looking at the daily chart, I got this pink trend line here, all right, giving us, I guess you could call it a bear flag if you want to, okay? But the breakdown level for tomorrow is at 373.6s, okay? And I got a 38.2 fib level at 374.2ish. So that's going to be a very critical zone that the bulls need to defend and recapture those levels that I mentioned, okay? Especially 380. Then I would be bullish, and maybe we can fill out this bear flag a little bit higher to the upside, okay? But if we take out that 374 level, 373.6s, we break down. That's a breakdown of this bear flag, okay? And the multi-year trend line for tomorrow is at 372s, okay? I'm saying okay a lot again. Sorry about that. But the levels, that's the levels. Below 374, I'd be bearish. Below 372, I'd be even more bearish. With the next critical level around 369, that's the 50% fib level from October low up to November high, okay? That fails. We got 367.84 next. That's the 23.6 fib level from August high down to October low, okay? Look for puts when the support level fails. I'm trying to keep it simple for you guys. Yesterday I said if SPY can hold 380, stay bullish. If SPY loses 380, get bearish. Okay, we got a nice almost $6 to $7 drop from that trade setups. From one setup to the next, I don't know what else to do. All right, I'm trying to make it as simple for us as possible. But moving on to the QQQ, I mentioned that yesterday that QQQ cleared that 269 level, but it has to show follow through, and it could not show follow through. Broke down the 267 level. As I mentioned to you guys, get bearish if the support level fails, and it did, with QQQ dropping as low as 263. Okay, so the next resistance level I got is 264. QQQ needs to recapture 264, 267, 269, and especially that 273 level to even look bullish or get me bullish. But as of right now, I'm bear bias. If 264 can hold as resistant, the next support level is 262, 260, 258, and 256 that I got for QQQ. Below 256 is a break back below this blue trend line that I got. Okay, all the way back from August high. So that's very bearish below 256. Moving on to Tesla. Speaking of very bearish, I'm zooming out on Tesla. You guys can see this triangle pattern that I got here, and Tesla this week broke down that critical support level, okay? And yeah, it closed below, around 177-ish. So as of right now, I got resistance at 180, 184, 186.7. With 186.7 with 188 above that, 190, 194.5, and around 198.5. I said 198.5, and then 200 above that, okay? Needs to recapture some of these levels that it lost, because Tesla lost a lot of levels. But as long as below 180, I got the next critical support level at 175. And below 175, it could get a lot uglier down to 169 with 165.5 below that. All right, let's end this with the option flow. 81% in the puts, 19% in the calls. Okay, filter for 500K premiums or above. Seeing a lot of big money bet into the downside, including this one. Look at this one. A sweep, very aggressive, 7.8 million in premium, over 5,000 in size, 375 strike price. We hit that January 20, 2023. So they got in around 378.71, but they're probably up on those puts. But overall, bearish as usual. QQQ, and look at that. Holy moly, the crazy puts continue to be bought for the QQQ. Are these hedges or are these legit short positions? Okay, but all I can say is we're seeing millions of dollars coming in. All right, last time I saw something like this, it was QQQ, I think, was bullish. But, we never know what could happen. Okay, we got to be prepared using the price action. Tesla, 86% of the puts. So, yep. Seeing big money bet into the downside. 4.1 million in premium, over 8,000 in size. Strike price 100. But this is April 21st, 2023 for next year. But yeah, a lot of big money accumulating these big money puts to the downside. Okay, guys, I hope you guys found value in that. If you guys want more content from Uncle Charters and want my best technical analysis throughout the day in real time, please consider joining my Discord, or you can subscribe to my Substack to get my morning analysis before the market opens. Peace.